mass of product is formed from 12.57 moles of aluminum sulfide, and we're going to have to translate this equation. So we'll start with aluminum sulfide. Aluminum is Al with a +3 charge, and sulfide is S with a -2. We're going to have to crisscross these charges. This means I have 2 aluminums. This means I have 3 sulfides. It's reacting with excess water to produce, means draw my yield sign, aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum, again, is +3. Hydroxide is a polyatomic ion made up of oxygen and hydrogen, which has an overall -1 charge. This, when I flip-flop or crisscross them, this gives me 1 aluminum to 3 hydroxides. And so I'll place hydroxide in parentheses since it's a polyatomic ion. And we also get dihydrogen sulfide. So we have hydrogen and sulfide. Dihydrogen means 2 hydrogens, and there's only 1 sulfide in the formula. Okay, so now that I have the equation written, I need to balance it. There are 2 aluminums on the left, but only 1 aluminum on the right, so I'll put a coefficient of 2 here. There are 3 sulfurs on the left, and only 1 on the right, so I'll put a coefficient of 3 here. There are 1 water on the left, and on the right there's 2 times 3 is 6 hydroxides and 6 hydrogens. 6 hydroxides and 6 hydrogens equals 6 waters. And that's a little trick you can always use when you're dealing with double replacement reactions. Okay, so we're also going to go ahead and write the molar masses of each of these respectively above them. This is 150.17 grams per mole. This is 18.02. This is 78.01. And this one is 34.09. And we went and added those up, or I went and added those up off of the periodic table. I'm going to go ahead and use method 2 in order to solve this, because they're asking for what mass of product is formed. So they don't mean just this product or this one. They mean how much is the total mass of the 2 products combined. So if we use the chart method, first of all, the molar-mole ratio is 1 to 6 to 2 to 3. We are given 12.57 moles of the aluminum sulfide, which is actually very convenient since this has a ratio of 1 compared to the other 3 things in our equation. So if we take 12.57 multiply times 6, because hydrogen has 6 times the moles that aluminum sulfide does. So 12.57 times 6 equals 75.42 moles of water consumed. 12.57 times 2 is 25.14 moles of aluminum hydroxide produced. And 12.57 times 3 equals 37.71 moles of dihydrogen sulfide produced. Now I can figure out the grams of both my products formed by taking the moles and multiplying it times the molar mass respectively. So 25.14 times 78.01 gives me 1,961.1714 grams of aluminum hydroxide, and 37.71 times 34.09 gives me 1,286 grams of dihydrogen sulfide. The question is asking for the total mass of both products, and so if we add these 2 amounts together, we get 3247 grams of products, which there is no correct answer for this. However, the closest answer would be letter B.